to put it to the fridge for 1 hour. Now I took them out of the fridge. Look, I'm going to put some almonds and blueberries on top them. It's time to taste it. It is delicious. Bye. Hello, I'm making a milkshake, a banana, a glass of milk. Let's mix them out. Enjoy your meal.
Hello friends, we will make apple cookie together. We need 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, butter and oil, vanilla baking powder and 2 spoons of yogurt flour. Pour inside and bake them. Enjoy it.
We put the 6 first. After we pour the pudding, we add the milk and we mix. After we pour it into a bowl, lastly put in the fries. Enjoy your meal.
We are making a milk burger. Butter, 1 glass of sugar, 1 egg, 1 glass of milk, cacao, baking powder, plus flour.
Today we make German pancakes. We need some eggs, flour, and salt. Now I turn the pancake. The German pancake is finished. Make these are good. Cinnamon, walnut, paradise pound. Cinnamon, mix your first walnuts and paradise pound. Ready? I'm going to make a banana milkshake. In for it, making a banana milkshake, 2 bananas, 2 glasses of cold milk, and 4 tablespoons vanilla ice cream. Hi. I'm making recipe. Pudding. Milk. A saucepan. I put milk. I put pudding. Mix it. Enjoy it.
I made the pudding first, cutting the banana. I dip the banana in the pudding. I put and it's ready. Recipe: a saucepan, some milk, pudding powder. I put milk in the saucepan, add pudding powder. I stir with a spoon. I cook in the oven. We add it in bowl. Enjoy it.
Now we have whipped cream in a bowl, and put some strawberries on it. Goodbye.
Now I will show you how to make banana. First, chocolate. First, I cut the banana. After I put banana, put the colored candy over the chocolate.
Why? I tell you, wraps for dozen sweet chocolate paste shop. 1 gram strawberry, 1 banana, pigeonless, and bananas. Bananas is ice, and strawberry, and hazelnut or almond,